That's a good idea.
It's a good idea. That bush is in my way. Got them bushes in my way.
Hurry up there, go! It's a long fucking goal,
Austin, you're not doing that. I'll stand right here just in case he needs help.
Hey, I'm used to being up on heights, dude. I'm not used to falling. My job is not to fall.
I can't see the stupid bushes in the way.
No, I'm thinking that I might have to bamboo my fucking ability.
Can you see it better?
A little bit.
Go!
I apologize. I've talked myself out of it.
No!
Go?
Yeah!
1, 2, 3, jump!
Oh, shit! That wasn't so bad. Woo! Damn!
Did it help when we counted down?
Do it again! Woo!
Gotta do it now.
Hell yeah! I'm over it. Hell yeah, I'm over it. Let's do it again. Woo!
Did you get that?
Hey, I recorded you jumping.
That's my backbone, baby.
I'll put that on YouTube.
Man jumping up.
Ow!
Cray Cray Man jumping off a bridge.
What the heck?